Hello everyone, today in this video I am going to show you how you can download and install latest version of Anaconda on your window. So for installing and downloading, go to any browser you have and simply click download Anaconda. So after searching it, you will find the first link. You should click on that link. Now after that, you have to provide the email address. Just agree terms and condition and submit. After submit, you will get the download green color icon. Simply click here. After clicking this, your downloading will start. So wait for the downloading. It's about of 912 MB. So once downloading completes, cut it down and go to your file. In files, you will find here Anaconda. Simply double click here. Now this process you have to follow strictly to install correctly Anaconda on your PC. So simply type next. After that, agree these terms and condition. And here you can, if you want any other person can use this Anaconda, you should click check mark on the all users or leave it at just me if you want to use it for yourself and just press next. After that, here you can see there is an option of your destination folder. So click here next. So here it is showing that it is not empty. It means that I have already installed the Jupyter. So firstly I need to delete this file. Okay. So I am going to delete this file and after that I will press here next. After coming here, you should check mark here and then install. As you can see, it is installing and it will take some time as per your device. And once your installation complete, just press next. Now you can see your Anaconda is installing on your PC. You have to just wait for few more seconds. So after installing, if you are not getting all the apps, you should simply refresh here, right? After refreshing, you will find all the apps here. And to launch or install anyone, simply place launch. Okay. In the next video, I will be showing how to launch Jupyter Notebook on your PC through Anaconda. So till then, goodbye.